Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. My name is Shoaib. I'm the voice behind all the videos that you see on this website as well as our official YouTube channel, youtube.com/PMCLounge. If you're watching this on YouTube and haven't subscribed to us, please consider subscribing. We are all about PMP. We are all about project management and other project management related certifications. In this video, I wanted to talk about the mindset that you should not have when thinking about PMP or thinking about taking up the PMP certification. So, first things first, what is PMP? PMP is essentially a certification and it validates your knowledge of project management. So, if you have PMP certification, this means that you have knowledge about project management and that knowledge has been validated, has been certified by PMI, the Project Management Institute. PMP remains the number one project management certification out there. So, this is basically a validation of your project management knowledge. But what is PMP not? What it is not? And this is where the mindset part comes into the picture. You should not think about PMP as a ticket for a job promotion or for a hike or for a good job or switching your job, right? Or even if you're not a project manager and getting into a project manager job role, it is PMP is not a ticket for all that. In fact, I will share my screen and show you a project manager job opening. So this is an opening in Philips. It is internal project manager lifecycle ops. This is an opening in Bangalore here in India, and it talks about the job, right? And what do you have the opportunity in this? It talks about what all are you supposed to do. Now, what are you responsible for as a project manager? It says working closely with operational teams. Now, if you are PMP certified, does that mean that you have worked closely with operational teams? Not necessarily. It is just a certification that validates your project management knowledge. It does not validate that you have actually worked with operational teams. So it is not a ticket for you to get a job here. When you go for an interview for this position, they will try to ask you questions and try to gauge if you have some sort of experience in working with operational teams. Do you have experience in coordinating and leading team meetings? Do you have experience in managing customer facing interactions? Do you provide timely, consistent, and informative reporting on project status to stakeholders? Now, that is the thing that you need to understand, right? If you are PMP, it does not mean that you have done all of this in your past experience. The project manager job role requires you to have experience in all of these activities that I just mentioned, the ones that are listed here, whatever that you are responsible for. So you should have experience in it and you should be able to talk about it in the interview. Just because you're a PMP does not mean that it is a given that you have done all of this, right? Next is to succeed in this role, you should have the following skills and experience. Now, what is it that Philips is looking for? Proven track record managing and delivering complex projects in cross-cultural environment. Having a PMP does not prove this. Ability to clearly articulate project related IT, security, operations, and network constraints to internal and external customers. Having a PMP does not prove that you have this ability. Proficiency with spreadsheets, charts, and project reporting tools. Again, having a PMP has no effect on whether you possess this skill. Direct customer management experience, 3+ years experience in IT operations, project management, delivery. This is where PMP comes into the picture. PMP certification strongly recommended and medical industry experience is a plus. So this is the box that you are ticking if you are PMP certified. Everything else is something that you must possess and you must be able to showcase in your interview. So I get a lot of questions all the time, right? That, I'm doing so and so, I am so and so right now. This is my present position or present job role. If I, go for PMP, will I get a project manager job role? So this is my answer to all those comments and all those questions. PMP is just one piece of the puzzle. It is not the entire picture. You have to have experience. You have to be able to showcase your abilities in the interview, right? PMP is not a competitive exam where you obtain a rank and you end up getting something like an engineering seat or a medical seat, right? That is not what PMP is. PMP is not an internal bank promotion exam, which is quite popular here in India for government banks, right? Where you have exams, you clear those exams, and you are eligible for a promotion. PMP is not that exam. Unless your manager has specifically told you that you should get PMP for the next promotion, there is no guarantee that you will get a promotion if you are PMP certified. Unless a hiring manager or a recruiter has given it to you in writing that if you clear the PMP exam, we will hire you as a project manager. PMP is no guarantee that you are going to get yourselves a project manager job role. And I just showed you a real project manager opening and what is it that the recruiting organization is looking for. So I hope you found this video helpful. I hope this helps put things in perspective when it comes to PMP. Do not treat PMP as a ticket to something bigger which you don't currently have. PMP is just a certification. It validates your knowledge of project management. We are all about PMP. If you want to get yourselves PMP, we have several videos on this channel. Check them out. Check out the playlist section. Check out our website, pmclounge.com. Everything is absolutely free. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.